Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 4th, 2020. Here to give you all this price prediction and forecast in the market for Tesla and talk about Elon Musk's tweet that he did last Friday, trying to give in his opinion that his company stock is too expensive. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit that like button, share the video, join us on the other social media platforms as well as on our own website, HueFinancial.com. Join us there if you guys want to see more of our forecasts and price predictions the unconfusing way. Yes, I said it, the unconfusing way. So many other individuals on YouTube and in social media, on mainstream media, simply makes price forecasts and predictions confusing. And you're at a great location to see precisely how you're able to determine where a product is likely to go prior to the market actually getting there. And we're going to show you that on this video for Tesla. So if you guys haven't known, Tesla saw the market creep down about 10% on Friday, and the mainstream media went ahead and picked up this whole tweet that Elon Musk did right here, stating that Tesla stock price is too high in his opinion. Now, the media ran head ho for this and tried to use this as the ploy to why Tesla stock went lower. Let me tell you that the market does not care about a tweet, let alone Elon Musk's opinion about a company stock. The market moves on supply and demand. And one of the things I want to talk to you about in this instance is that when you look at the market in Tesla, this is when Elon's tweet came out, May 1st. The market on the 30th of April was already down almost 3%, 2.33% on the 30th of April. And it literally is falling in behind the earnings date that they had on that particular day as well, or Tuesday. So in his opinion, he is literally stating that the market for his product in Tesla stock is too expensive. And everyone took it hook, line, and sinker and took that as the reason as to why Tesla stock moved lower. No, the stock moved lower because those who are in control of this particular product wanted to go lower, not because of Elon's tweet. So we have to get our mental focus together in terms of how mainstream media, social media, everyone try to grab at straws as the lynch, as the pinpoint as to why a market moves. The market is simple. It only moves on supply and demand. If nobody wanted Tesla stock at $800, then the market will fall, period. It doesn't care about a tweet from Elon. It doesn't care about a tweet from yourself or even myself. If people wanted this stock at that price, it would have went higher. And the gentleman that you see at the bottom left side of my screen, he's the one that's controlling the market and the product in Tesla. And he's grabbing majority of everyone's money out the market because he's controlling precisely where this stock is going to go. So we're here to give you all this update on what he's trying to take Tesla stock. He's called the market trapper. So this was an article that came out back in 2019, April 26th, literally almost about a year ago, of Elon and the SEC agreeing to guidelines on his Twitter use. Now, I wonder if that tweet that he did last Friday, if that constitute a violation of the agreement that he and the SEC did last year. Let me know in the comment section of this video. But regardless, let's talk about what we're looking at in the market for this product. Now, the last time we did a video in Tesla was on April the 26th, 2020. And you guys can see right there, we were looking for the market in Tesla to move higher, and it did. So at least you could have got about 10% out the market in Tesla prior to the drop that came through on Friday, at least. Now at the high, you couldn't gotten out at least maybe around 20%. Okay, So it's not a surprise for us to actually bag this money from the trap, took the money from him, put it back in our pocket. Now he's on the loose trying to get it right back. So let's get rid of that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition this over this price chart to look at it on a weekly time frame. And clearly you can tell that, yeah, the market did get some weakness, and we have seen the market in Tesla right here around this $880 range is where the market in Tesla is finding some restriction. That confirmation came through last week, even on top of the earnings that came through on the 29th, right? And it tells us that the market trapper is not positive in the sense of Tesla continuing to see the move higher. They played off the earnings release. They played off Elon's tweet to fake many of the market participants into thinking that Tesla is a very viable stock that's going to continue to move higher in price. How we concluded on the weekly time frame substantiates that that's not the case. Okay, so looking at Tesla on a weekly basis, we're going to continue to play this market in Tesla to the downside. Now, by me stating that, I can clearly tell that the market in Tesla has found some support around $680, give or take. But I'm not going to be surprised based off the weekly time frame that that's not going to hold. Okay, I'm looking maybe around 640 area in Tesla for the market to try to grab some support. Okay, so that would be later about 8% market move to the downside for where it closed on Friday. So yeah, I'm definitely looking for some weakness to play out in Tesla. We got some restriction right now around $760. And considering Elon is expecting that his particular stock in Tesla is too expensive, and the market did not absorb the positive news from his earnings release from last week, more than likely this product is definitely looking weak, and we're going to play the movement to the downside. Okay, especially on the long-term outlook on a weekly basis, you can definitely tell that the market in Tesla is giving us some weakness. So we're going to eye the market in Tesla moving lower. TP is going to be around $640, $650. You guys can tell right there on the 13th, then all the way back here on the 31st of January, and even the 30th of January is where the market topped out. That could be a support area as well. So around $650 to $640 will TP the market in Tesla on this downside movement. Now, over the next couple of videos that we'll do in Tesla, we'll go ahead and maybe adjust this ascending line in this space, okay? Because the market overall is not following this trend. We may actually be transitioning over to one of a trading channel, which would be $760 for restriction, all the way back down here towards 600. Okay, so the market in Tesla may be in a beginning phase of a consolidational period before we get another relaunch to higher prices further out in time throughout 2020, 2021, 2022. So definitely I'm eyeing that this market in Tesla is beginning a phase of consolidational trading. So on the next couple of videos, we might alter this ascending line because the trend definitely has been broken from a long-term basis in Tesla stock. Okay, so yeah, this is it. The market in Tesla is going to go through some weakness. You know, it's expected. You want to allow the market to give you some weakness, but we just need to see this support come in relatively quick in order to substantiate a bigger move to the upside sooner than later. Okay, so recap. TP $650, $640 for Tesla stock. The reason that the market moved lower was not because of Elon's tweet. Okay, let's just drop that, leave that alone. Everyone would try to grab something to substantiate why a market or a product moves. It doesn't move because of those reasons. Now, I would tell you that the trap will play on those news to get what he wants out of the market. And so many people fall for it. And it's just amazing how we continually allow those type of situations to plague why a particular product moves, and that's not the reason. All right, so this is it. Let us know your comment about the SEC and the agreement that Elon did last year. Do you think he's in violation of that agreement? Let us know with a comment. All right, y'all, I'm done.